Next is in the above question, the electrons from the very surface, which are the valence shell electrons, which are present at the at the very surface, only those are transferred. So loosely bound electrons are transferred. So second option will be correct over here. Next is, when a body is rubbed with another, then the body may get charged, the body do not get charged. We have to stick to certain pairs. It depends on the the relative energies of the electrons present in the two substances. As we can see that glass has to be rubbed with wool or silk, or plastic has to be rubbed with fur in order to see their electrification. So certainly we have to stick to certain pairs for the electrification process. So we can say that fourth is the best possible option. So 96 is concerned, we stick to the fourth option. Then is a metal rod hand in hand when rubbed with wool. So the concept here is, suppose there is a metal rod and you are using a wool to rub it. So when you are using your hand, so what will happen is it will certainly acquire a charge, but as human body is conducting, the charge will flow to the ground. So although it has been electrified, but since human body is conducting, so the charge will get transferred in a very short span of time. So if we talk in long terms, in a long time interval, then we can say that there will be no electrification involved. So we can say that it will not show charging. So as per the time duration is enlarged, so in a long term it will not show charging, as charge will flow. So second is correct over here. Next is a metal rod with insulating handle. However, if you repeat the same process by keeping insulating handle, so human body here is conducting. So if you keep insulating handle, then suppose it gets positive charge, this is insulator, so there will no transfer of charge, hence it will show charging, and as it can attract other objects. So if you use an insulating handle, then certainly it will show charging. So we can say that first option will be correct over here. Next is, if we connect a copper wire to a neutral pith ball and a negative charge to the ball, then obviously pith ball will get negative charge, as there will be transfer of charge. So second option will be correct over here. Next is, in the above question, if a nylon thread or rubber band is used, so the rubber band or nylon thread is an insulator. So as I explained earlier, so there will be no transfer of charge. So second is correct over here. Next is, substances which allow electricity to pass through them are called conductors basically. So first is correct over here.